teen director for the YMCA. And today we are going to have a science experiment. And before we get started, I want you guys to meet my fellow scientists. Can you guys all please introduce yourselves?
My name is Chase. Logan. Allison. Maddie.
Maddie. All right. So today, all of my fellow scientists and I are going to do the baking soda and vinegar balloon challenge. Are you guys excited? Yeah? Okay. First things first, we are going to talk about chemical changes or chemical reactions. Do you guys know what that means? Anyone? So a chemical change or a chemical reaction is when you combine two things together and it's changed forever. So when you do something like that, the examples of that are like burning wood, or when milk goes sour, or if you cook an egg in a pan, it changes, right? Can you put those changes back when you go and cook an egg? Can you? No, probably not, huh? So this is basically the same exact thing. We are not going to be able to undo anything that we're doing here today. Got it? Okay. We have some materials that we need to go over, which you can find anywhere in your household. There's vinegar, baking soda, any kind of empty water bottle, balloons, and if you have a funnel, awesome. If not, you can make one out of foiling two pieces of paper together, kind of like this, and you can pour your objects into the bottle. Before we get started, we're going to talk about our two main ingredients, which is vinegar and baking soda. Now our observations are going to be off of look, smell, and taste. All right, so for vinegar, what can we say about what the vinegar looks like?
Water.
Kind of looks like water. Why does it look like water?
Because it's clear.
It's clear, right? And it's a liquid, right? All right. What do you think vinegar smells like? What does it smell like? Something that we...
It smells like pickles.
It does smell like pickles. Do you want to smell that?
Yeah.
All right, who's my brave soul that's going to taste test our vinegar? All right, Logan, just take a tiny sip and tell me what it tastes like.
It's sour.
It's sour, you are correct. Vinegar is very food friendly, so anyone can touch it and eat it and drink it and they'll be fine. I don't recommend drinking a lot of it though. All right, baking soda. What can we say? You okay?
Yeah. It's really sour.
That's okay. All right, what can we say about baking soda?
Looks like flour.
It looks like flour.
It smells like it smells really good.
It smells good. Do you think it has a smell? What does it smell like?
It smells delicious.
Delicious. What kind of things do we use baking soda for, guys? What? Cookies, right? You guys can use it to bake cookies.
Slime.
And is this a liquid, solid, or a gas?
Salt.
A solid. Here, why don't you touch it, Allison? Tell me what it feels like.
Feels like snow.
It feels like snow? Yeah, it's soft and tiny and white. Do you want to feel it too? Boop. It feels like pepper. Wow, I need to get your pepper. All right, now we are going to mix these two things together. What do you guys think is going to happen when we mix these two things together?
It's going to make it explode.
You think it's going to explode? All right, we are going to slowly pour the vinegar into our baking soda and see what happens. It's dissolving. What else? What are we hearing? Can you hear it? What does it sound like?
It sounds like a little snake.
It sounds like a little snake. Does it kind of also sound like when you open a bottle of pop and it's fizzing?
Yeah.
Do you guys know why it makes that sound? No? It's because of a chemical change called turning it into carbon dioxide. Do you guys know what carbon dioxide is? No. Take a big deep breath in. Take a big deep breath out. you guys just all made carbon dioxide. Can you see carbon dioxide? Can you see it when I breathe out? No, you can't see it, right? Now, do you think we would be able to undo this change that we just made? No, it'd be really hard to try to pick out the baking soda out of this vinegar, right? Yeah, wouldn't be very easy. So that is why it's called a chemical change. Now, for our experiment, we are going to take our bottles that we are going to fill with vinegar. Actually, first, we need to be safe. So before we can do our experiment, we are going to put on our protective gear. Does everyone have their goggles?
Yeah.
All right, let's put them on. Miss Nikki needs her glasses to see, so she gets to wear 2 sets of goggles. Here we go. Everyone almost ready? You guys look good. How do I look? Good? Oh, thanks. Not crazy. Just a little bit. No, okay. All right, so I have already poured your guys' vinegar, but we are just going to fill our water bottles. You guys can pull your bottle closer to you if you'd like. We are going to fill our water bottles with vinegar. Does everyone want to take a smell at their bottle of vinegar? Make sure that's what's in there.
Yeah.
Smell sour?
Yeah.
Smell sour. Maddie, did you smell yours? Does yours smell sour? All right, the next thing we are going to do, grab your balloons, just hold it like this for right now. I need to fill my balloon with baking soda. I've already done it for yours, okay? All right, in this little measuring spoon, I have my baking soda. And we are going to use our funnel to pour baking soda into our balloon. Make sure that before you try to put your baking soda in your balloon, you blow it up and stretch it out a little bit. So then that way it'll be easier to get it in. And if you want to make this experiment fun at home, you can add some food coloring. So you each have a little bit of food coloring in front of you if you would like to take your bottles. And you're going to take the lid off and put 2 to 3 little drops of food coloring into your bottle. Very good. Just squeeze it. Whoa, that looks cool.
Whoa, that's like, it's like,
Very good. Now, has anything happened when we put the food coloring in the vinegar?
it changed color.
It changed color, right? Now, can you think you could take the food coloring out of our vinegar?
No,
Nope. Why?
because it's the same thing like when we put vinegar and baking soda.
Correct. We can't undo this, so it's going to be a chemical change, right? Awesome. All right. I'm going to come around and help whoever needs it, but we are going to put our balloon, we're going to stretch the opening of the balloon out, and we are going to put it over our bottle without dumping our baking soda yet. Does anyone need help?
Mara will help.
That are filled with baking soda, and we're going to dump it into our vinegar solution. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, why do you guys think our balloons are filling up? What was that thing I said that what happens in crease when we mix vinegar and baking soda together? It creates, it's a chemical reaction which creates what? carbon dioxide. And the balloon is catching all the carbon dioxide. Great job, everybody. Thank you guys. Ooh, my glasses got all fogged up. Thank you guys for joining us today. And don't forget to help clean up after all of your experiments and to wash your hands. Bye, guys.